Have you ever noticed how convenient fast food has become? You're tired after a long day, you don't feel like cooking, and just a few minutes later, there's a warm, tasty meal in front of you? It feels easy, comforting. But what if I told you that these quick choices might be quietly increasing your risk of a stroke? For people over 60, the effects of fast food go far beyond weight gain. They can directly impact your heart, your blood vessels, and your brain, sometimes with no warning at all. Today, I want to talk with you about why fast food is so risky, and what small changes you can make to protect yourself. If you find this message helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can continue sharing simple, reliable health advice just for you. The problem with fast food isn't just the calories. It's what's inside those meals: high levels of sodium, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients. Sodium, or salt, is especially dangerous. Most fast food meals contain far more salt than your body needs in a day, and when you eat that much salt regularly, your blood pressure slowly rises. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of stroke, and the scary thing is, you might not feel any different until something serious happens. Then there's the fat, particularly trans fats and saturated fats, found in fried items, processed meats, and creamy sauces. These fats can build up inside your arteries, making them narrower and less flexible. Over time, this plaque buildup can block blood flow to the brain, causing a stroke. Even if the blockage is partial, the reduced blood flow can still weaken brain tissue and increase the risk of blood clots. For older adults, these effects happen more quickly than you might think. Our bodies process fats and sodium differently as we age, and our blood vessels naturally become less elastic. That means a salty burger and fries might raise your blood pressure higher and keep it high for longer than it would have 20 or 30 years ago. Combine that with other factors like less physical activity or existing heart conditions, and the danger multiplies. I've spoken with many patients who told me, "Doctor, I don't eat fast food every day, just once or twice a week." But even that can be enough to do harm over time. The trouble is, fast food isn't just about one meal. It's about the pattern it creates: more salt, more unhealthy fat, less fresh produce, and fewer nutrients your body needs to repair and protect itself. And because it's quick and convenient, it's easy to eat it more often than you realize. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy your favorite takeout. What I am saying is this: if you make fast food a regular habit, you are putting your brain and your life at risk. I've seen too many cases where someone ignored these warnings, only to suffer a stroke that changed everything: their independence, their ability to speak, even their ability to walk. The good news is, you can make changes starting today. If you do eat out, choose grilled instead of fried. Ask for less salt, or skip the sauces and dressings that are loaded with sodium and sugar. And most importantly, balance those meals with home-cooked dishes that are rich in vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. These choices keep your arteries clearer, your blood pressure more stable, and your brain healthier. I know cooking at home can feel like a chore, especially when you're tired or live alone. But remember, the effort you put in now can save you from years of struggling with the effects of a stroke later. Simple soups, steamed vegetables, or even a salad with beans or eggs can be quick, easy, and far healthier than what you'd get from a drive-thru. One patient of mine, a gentleman in his late 60s, used to eat fast food 3 or 4 times a week. After a mild stroke, he decided to change. He started cooking simple meals at home, walking every day, and limiting fast food to special occasions. Within 6 months, his blood pressure dropped, his cholesterol improved, and he told me he felt more energetic than he had in years. That's the kind of transformation I want for you too. So, if you're listening right now, ask yourself, how often am I relying on fast food? Is the convenience worth the risk? Remember, a stroke can happen suddenly, but the damage builds over time, one salty, greasy meal at a time. Make the choice today to protect your brain, your heart, and your independence. And if you found this message valuable, please subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you clear, trustworthy health advice to help you live healthier and longer.